Hello and welcome to King Cole. I'm Susan, as you know, and this is Joanne.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
Right, today we're introducing our new Footsie 4ply. It's a new sock yarn that we're doing. It is mainly acrylic, this one. So it's 93% acrylic and 7% PBT, which is an abbreviation.
I was just going to ask, what's that?
I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, but if you Google it, I'm told in layman's terms that basically it's a bit like Lycra, so it gives things strength and stretchiness. So that's why we've picked it for these.
That's great.
The reason for the acrylic version is we've been looking for something that works in socks and little scarves and things for people who can't wear wool or who are sort of susceptible to being itchy with wool. So with this one, we've got some fabulous colours, really lovely drape to it, and it's suitable for everybody. I cannot imagine anybody being allergic to this in any way.
No.
So anyway, you get 430 metres per 100 gram ball, which makes you a pair of socks, sort of standard length. We'll show you in a minute.
Yeah, see, I had to ask that because I wasn't sure. Because as a rule, I don't make socks, but you do.
I quite like making socks,
yes.
So that works from my point of view. We have put the tension square on this based on 3.25mm needles because that shows that it's a standard 4ply, and you can use it with other patterns. So if you've got a top pattern that you like or a shawl pattern that you like that's 4ply, you can use this. So we have done the tension square based on the standard 4ply. For the actual sock pattern, we've used a 3mm needle because we wanted it a little bit denser on the fabric. I do know people prefer to knit socks on smaller, thinner needles, so again, judge that on your preference for when you do your sock knitting. You could also do it on a looser needle if you were wanting to do a lace shawl or something like that. So
I think they'd be lovely as fingerless gloves as well.
Actually, yeah. But the tension square is based so that you know that you can use any 4ply pattern with it. So that's 28 stitches to 36 rows. Now on this, it's a 40-degree wool wash or gentle wash for these. They are sort of fun socks. Wear them whenever you like, but we weren't really planning that you'd be going hiking in them. So a boil wash is not an option. You can dry clean them. You can tumble dry them on a low heat. So we'll just show you the 7 colours that we've got.
And do not iron, but I don't know anyone who irons socks.
No,
but there you go. There might be somebody out there,
Right, so the first one is this lovely colour, and it's Fig number 4903, and probably what's a little bit more relevant is this. So this shows you pretty much what you'll get if you knit a sock. Within reason, socks don't have a massive size difference generally, so you should get something that looks like each one of these.
Yeah, one of my favourites next.
We've sort of found the plain version to start with. This plain version is completely plain, so this isn't on the pattern that we've put with it, but if you've got a basic bog standard sock pattern that fits you, then this is the kind of thing you're going to get. The next one is Watermelon. That's 4905.
I think this one's really effective.
We love this.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we've quite fallen in love with this version.
I keep admiring that because you don't even have to say the name to know what it is on that one.
So they're all basically named after sort of fruit type things. So you've got passion fruit, and that's 4900, and that just gives you that lovely one. So hopefully there's something. I
can guess the name for the next one actually.
Yeah, this one is Kiwi.
I knew it.
And it's 4901. And again, that is a kiwi fruit, isn't it? Just a kiwi fruit in a sock. So yeah, beautiful. Okay,
sure. Do you want me to hold up the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Oops, sorry. There's always one, right? This one is strawberry, and I think that's pretty evident too. And I do think it is the beautiful strawberry colours.
It is.
Definitely, right? Yeah. I don't know. Banana. I don't even know to
banana.
See, it's a guessing game, isn't it? Banana right there. And this one knits up beautifully too. And you can definitely tell it's a banana.
That I think that's my favourite.
Yeah,
actually.
We were talking about our favourites. Yeah. I tend to go with the red ones, which is unusual.
I do like this one, but I think that
Christmas.
Might be, whole Christmas.
This is Christmas, the last one right here, and this is my personal favourite. And this one, when I said fingerless gloves, I was thinking this would be beautiful for Christmas accessories. I'm sorry.
Not that way, because I can see it, but...
Yeah, you can see it. Well, that's because I'm talking to you. I can't help it, you know?
Yeah.
So I think that's lovely.
Yeah.
And there is one pattern, so
Yes.
I'll introduce that now.
Yeah.
It's pattern 5662.
So on this, we've just...
Oh, I'm reading the back. I'm sorry.
5824.
5824. My apologies. I was looking at this.
With the back, just turn it around again for me. On the back of the pattern, these are some of our other 4ply patterns, which again you could use this yarn for. So there's shawls and other socks and things on there.
At the baby garment
So
would
yeah,
be
that's
lovely
just
in
to
it.
give you some ideas of what you could do with the yarn as well.
I'm so sorry.
So I'll go with the first one on that one. So that is the banana.
And it's designed too, because it's probably too far away, but if you look very closely, there is design.
There's two designs. So this one's just got a very subtle chevron. Not everybody wants sort of really fancy lacy socks, but maybe just a little bit of detail. So there's a little chevron pattern running through that, and we've done it. We've done it in two sizes to give you an idea. Both of those came out of one ball of wool, one ball of wool. So it just shows how far it goes on those. So that was the first one. And then this one, which we did in the watermelon, this has a little bit of lace and cabling running up it.
Lovely.
So because
I love the
of
details.
the beauty of the yarn, we didn't want to overdo the patterning. But there's just a little bit of detailing up there, which we rather like. If you ever wanted to carry your detailing down onto the foot, you know, you can do. It's very much personal preference. And again, we've just put together two sizes of those so that you can get an idea.
Yeah. Those would fit me. I have small feet.
Yeah. So we've tried to do a range that's gone from sort of slightly older children up to a man's size on it, because we do know men who love their jazzy socks and would definitely wear these. So yeah, we hope you like this. As I say, this yarn should knit up to any sock pattern that's based on a 4ply. So you've
quite impressed with the colours and the range too.
We love it. We've already got ideas for more. We've just been discussing
yes. Well,
new fruit
no spoilers.
that we're going to put forward.
Yeah, no more spoilers.
Please. No. So anyway, we hope you like it, and show us what you come up with, and if you've got any other great ideas or patterns that you think work, by all means.
Fruit suggestions.
Yeah.
Anything,
knit things up, let us see them, send us in your suggestions.
Yeah, so don't forget to like us on Facebook and show us your knits, and thank you for watching.
Yep, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.